All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the Yes No YouTube channel. It's your host, Slick Rick, and we are back on another afternoon going into the evening delivery shift. So, start this app up. Oh, and I also want to say thanks to everybody giving me the 50 subscribers. I appreciate anybody who's watching, friends, family, or you just discovered me on the page. Oh, an excuse for how windy it is. It looks like we got our first delivery at 7-Eleven. Seems like a relatively easy one. I'm gonna accept that. $3.05. All right, I'll see you guys when I get 7-Eleven. All right, I'm up here. Appreciate that bit, dog. You have a good one. All right, got the delivery. I didn't even turn off my bike. Rookie move. I mean, don't get me wrong, I was like close by it the whole time. So like, if anybody was staring at it or looking at it, I can just hop out the store real quick. Yeah, I got a Capriati's order I'm gonna be getting. So yeah, because this 7-Eleven order is like literally right across the street. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get the Capriati's.
Oh, Aniioki.
Alright, on to the next stop. See you guys when I get there. Alright, close to drop off. 17:21. Let's do this. I think they got like 2 sandwiches. Okay, cool. Take a picture at door order. Cool. So I think this Capri order was like $6 and like 86 cents or something like that. I can't remember, but I know it was like $6. Change or whatever. Yeah, which I would think they would have me drop off the drink first from my 7-Eleven pickup, but guess not. It's way closer than coming up here, but they probably pay for priority delivery, so you know, perks of having priority delivery. All right, let's head over to the drop off. We're at the drop off. So leave a door order. I got a Chick-fil-A order after I dropped this one off. So yeah. Oh, and also, you know, Watt Hustle is doing this e-bike dasher challenge out there in Florida. I'm interested. I did sign up for it. I got to email him back with my model bike and something else I forgot, but I think that's really cool for the community, and I think that's going to be a pretty good opportunity if I get accepted, especially since I'm a smaller creator. So, and you know, it'd be great to network with bigger creators in you know, the food delivery world. Specifically the food delivery e-bike world. All right, headed over Chick-fil-A. I'll see you guys when I get there. Made it to Chick-fil-A. All right. today's sun's not that bad. It's has a little forecast, the clouds. So, you know, usually when I'm touching the seat right here, it's extra hot. But you know, since the UV rays ain't beaming down on it, it's a nice warm seat. You know, prefer not to have a warm seat, but I'd rather have this than scolding hot. Verify order. We pick up. All right. To the next stop, to the drop off. See you guys when I get there. All right. Close to drop off. Basically right in front of me. Okay. Okay. All right. Take a picture. Okay. That's good. Hey, so you see, don't got nothing. So I'll see you guys when I get the next order. So I got a Panda Express order. You know, it's right across this tiny little intersection. Nothing crazy. All right. I'm here at the building. I just don't know how to right apartment. Yeah. Okay, looks like it's on the other side. Here, wait. If I'm not mistaken. Yep. So wait. Next. Delivered. Okay. Alright. See, don't got nothing. See you guys when I get the next one. Okay. So I did go see the Mario movie last night. It's pretty good for what it was. You know. Can't take movies like this too seriously. Hey, picking up for a Ainsley? Thank you.
That's cool.
Oh, thank you.
Where did you get that one? Is it the Pro?
It's a 360?
360. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you need the key? Thank you.
No problem. That lady was nice. I will say, I get that working in fast food is not the most best job. I don't expect everybody to be friendly, especially depending on how long you work. But you know, if I say thank you, you should say you're welcome back. I don't need you to be super enthusiastic like a Chick-fil-A employee would, but I do expect oh, you're welcome. You know, it's just common courtesy. I'm not looking for the most excited response. I'm just looking for some acknowledgement.
Oh, Aniioki.
You know, I can't speak on what you call it, fast food jobs since I've never worked one. You know, I see how these guys look, but you know, I'm still respectful. You know, even on my worst days, I'm still respectful. But all right, accept this order. Where am I going? Oh, okay, I'm going down right here. Okay, cool. All right, I'll see you guys when I get there. Okay, we are close to drop off. All right, I gotta go upstairs. Let's take a photo. Great. Delivered. All right. Don't got nothing. So, see you guys when I get the next one. Got a cheaper hut. Picking up for Nisha. Thank you. All right. So, it's verified order. Likely it's just a sandwich. Yeah, I've eaten at Cheaper Hut before. They wrap their sandwiches up pretty well. So, you know, one of the few places I can ride a little bit fast and a little bit rougher. You know. Like Subway's 1 and 2 because they don't really have fountain drinks. So a lot of time they have bottle drinks. So if I'm riding fast, I'm riding fast with a bottle drink. And it's even better if there's no juice in it. I mean, there's no. It's not a soda. It's like a tea or Gatorade. That's a combination. All right. See you guys when I get to the drop off. Made it to drop off. So I got a Starbucks order after I complete this one. Oh, didn't go through. Okay. All right. At the Starbucks. I'll see you guys when I get there. I am here at Starbucks. Man, it's windy. Here's gonna be muffled. All right. So picked up the Starbucks order. It's $2. And you know what? I'll take it. Take it for the plot. So I don't. It's not usual order I would want to take, but you know, it could be worse. Okay. First of all, let me turn on this bike.
Oh, Aniioki.
Alright.
With a 3016 silver sand core.
Sounds good. Alright. See you guys when I get there. Alright. Here at the drop off. On the note says leave it in front of the door. I know these type of doors, and I know dang well I should put it off to the side instead of leaving it right in front of the door, because otherwise they're gonna probably have to go to the garage, backyard, whatever their preferred method to get around to the front door is. If I place it right in front of the front door. Okay. Right there. Let's take a photo. Okay. So head on to McDonald's. I probably won't film this McDonald's pickup. This pitiful $2 order I picked up. Maybe if I get an add-on, but you know. Today it's been consistent with orders, but it hasn't been like back to back. Like I'm getting an order during my delivery. I've been getting it right out. A good one. I'll see you guys one, or I'll say I'm gonna head over to McDonald's and see what else I get next. All right. So I did pick up the McDonald's order. I'm going to drop off. I wasn't planning on filming this drop off, but I'll tell you one reason why I decided to, because I've delivered to this customer before, and they do not tip well. I'm sorry?
Aniioki.com.
Yeah, that's the bike's name by. Yeah. You have a good one.
Thank you.
No problem. Yep. Drop off. Yeah. That's where this apartment complex, they do not tip good nowhere. Yeah. Every time I've delivered here, like, the tips are either non-existent, like, or it's like 50 cent. Like, I've gotten 50 cent tip from this apartment complex before. And, you know, like, I'm always going to complain about not, like, tips and things like that. What I'm not going to do is, you know, get too mad about it. Because, you know, people tip what they're going to tip. And like I always say, I accepted the order. So, got to finish the job. That is what it is. All right. Don't have anything. So, I'll see you guys when I get the next order. All right, peace. All right, getting close to drop off. Getting to another regular Emilio. Yeah. One good thing about accepting pickups from them is, you know, the orders aren't always as high paying, but you can always count that when they do order, the distance is going to be very short. So from here to, what's it called? From here to Burger King, not that far. Let's take a picture. All right. Whew. All right. Don't have anything, so let's head over and see what we can get. See you guys when I get some. All right. So that Burger King delivery is going to be my last order for this evening. We haven't ate since nighttime. So yeah, if you guys like the video, like it. If you guys want to see more, subscribe. And peace out.